Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create any of the LEGO 3D models or how to download any of the LEGO models in history and convert it to become the OBJ, import into iClone 8.22 to make it become an iProp in your iClone 8 3D animation software. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. First, what you're going to do is just go to my video descriptions. I already put it there. I already put a link at there. Get the LeoCAD software and any LEGO 3D models in history here. I already put a link. You click into that link, then it will link it to my official page there. The LeoCAD LEGO 3D modeling software. Scroll down, go to the bottom. You should be able to see two links at there. First, download the LeoCAD software. Once you click it, then you can download it for Windows. Download the software, the LeoCAD. Next, another website is download the LEGO models from here. From here, actually, you can get any of the 3D models of the LEGO in the history. Then I can search it anything here. For example, the train. Then I simply open it and just have a look. Alright, let's say if I want this 3D model, I just need to click download. Then it will download it as MPD file. You can open the MPD file by using the LeoCAD. Now the LeoCAD is ready. I'm going to click File, Open. Then go to the download folder. The MPD file, you can load it. Right. At the same time, you can edit it. You can see all of these parts. You can edit it if you want. Or you can simply add other parts here. So just look at the panel. I switch it to, let's say, the plant. Then I choose green color. I can drag some of the plants like this. Or I can edit any other bricks that I want. For example, I want to add a door here. Of course, the basic GUI, if you hold the alternate key, then you can just move the camera. You can rotate your object like this. Let's say if I want to add some bricks, I can choose it from here as well. Now this is one. If I want to add another, I can just simply drag it to fit. Alright. Once done already, always remember in this tutorial we are going to learn how to import into iClone 8 3D animation software. It is pretty simple. Let's say if I want to import into the iClone 8, what I'm going to do is just click File, Export. Export as the wavefront. This is the OBJ wavefront. Then as demo, I'm going to export it on my desktop. As OBJ, I click Save. Now this is the OBJ file. At the same time, I may just save the project. I save it as the MPD file as well, so that next time I still can edit it again. I save it on my desktop. This is the MPD file. I can close the LeoCAD next time. If I want to open it again, LeoCAD. This is the project file to open. See? It is still there. So this is the LEGO 3D models. Now it is already in OBJ format. What we're going to do is just open the iClone and drag the OBJ file into the iClone. Then for this one, you just choose no. it is going to break up all of the Lego bricks into subprops. Is there more? I will just choose no. Next, you can see the direction is wrong. So what you're going to do is just double click it. Then press E to try to rotate it and see. Now you can see the rotation is at here. Just change the rotation of the X to become -90. -90 and press enter. Now everything will back to the normal. Next, always remember, click reset transform. Then scroll down under the pivot, just click the center bottom. And then scroll up, click zero out. Now it is at the center already, and this is a prop. Right, now we check again the original one. LeoCAD, drag in the MPD file. Now it is exactly the model just now. So this is the prop, and we may just go and save it as a new prop. And here, click set custom. Sorry, this one. Click here, props. This is under the custom. You click save. The file name Lego01. Click OK. Now it will save as a new prop. Next time, you still can just drag it into your scenes. It is going to load it as a prop. If you want to share with your friends, just right click, find the file. This is the prop, the Lego01 iProp. And you can just share with your friends if you want. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorial on how to create any of the Lego 3D models or download any of the Lego models in history and convert it to become the OBJ, import into the iClone 8.22 3D animation software to make it become a prop in your iClone 8. And just enjoy and have fun. That's all for today about this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new video tutorials or sharing, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. See you.